So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the lab secure software delivery challenge lab. So first of all, click on start lab, open cloud console incognito window. In case it doesn't sign in automatically, you can refer to the lab instruction for username and password. Create the cloud shell. In the description box I have shared one GitHub link, so to check it out. So as you can see, this is the GitHub link. Now we'll execute the commands. Set check my progress folder task. In case you haven't liked that video, like the video and subscribe the channel for more. So as you can see, we got the score without any issue. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day ahead, and do like, share and subscribe the channel.